Here's my 64. 6 tens, 4 ones. And when we talk about subtraction, I can model the second quantity, or I can really just say, well, subtraction means we're going to be taking stuff away. So I'm going to be taking away 3 tens and 2 ones. So the operation of subtraction is to come to the tens section here and take 3 of them away. And then come to the ones section and take 2 of them away. And what do I have left? 3 tens and 2 ones. So 64 minus 32 is 32, which probably isn't surprising to us, and that is why. 64 minus 32 is 32 because we've taken the quantity away. Okay, that's easy enough. What happens? What happens here? Go back to 64. My 64. This time I want to take away 36. Okay, no big deal. 3 tens, take them away. 6 ones, take them away. Uh-oh. I can take away 4 ones, but I need to take away 6. I don't have enough ones to be able to take the quantity 6 away. So what are we going to do? Well, this should remind you of the old language of borrowing, right? If we borrow a number, it says, or borrow from the, the tens to give to the ones. That sounds kind of like Robin Hood, actually. Rob from the rich to feed the poor. That doesn't make much sense to a lot of younger kids. Like, why am I borrowing? Why am I crossing numbers out and changing them? So we're going to use a new language. Same thing, but we're going to use different language to be a little bit clearer about what we're looking for. Here, instead of talking about borrowing, we're going to talk about decomposing. So I need some extra ones. So I am going to decompose this 10 block into a bunch of ones. So I probably should leave it here until I replace it. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go, 10 ones. I am going to take this and decompose it into pieces and add it to my ones group. Now, have I changed the quantity here? No, I have the same amount, but now I have enough ones, enough little pieces I can take 2, 4, 6 away. So here we teach our students the concept of borrowing in a more, I guess we could say, place value sensitive method. Like, we're actually staying true to the ideas of place value. So I have 2 tens and I have 8 ones, so the answer is 28. 64 minus 36 is 28.